Big up, General.
Knife Ninja and know thing. I'm going to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend.
That is it.
Outside.
That is it.
Up and running, you see it? Check out the General channel. It's a banger.
Alright, so. Beautiful peeps, you don't know it's a boy Knife Ninja out there without fear. Alright guys, so we're there this morning. It's a beautiful day. Today is Sunday, you know what I mean? So instead of cooking for the homeless, today me and Swizzle are head in a Portland, you know what I mean, with the boatland. So we are link up with the team and just all a vibe, and you know them have some work with them at the down there, so you don't know them ask if the Kingston team can tag along, so you don't know that go. We're gonna do the right thing, you know what I mean? We're not gonna really post too much of the work, but you don't know. I'm gonna post my journey to country, and you don't know we have the drone. You see me, so I get some shots as well, and just you know get some what I look forward to is to get some nice drone shots in the Portland. You see me, so you don't know that go, because we are trying to build a little catalog where we can have whole heap of drone shots and all them things. So Swizzle there with me today, you know what I mean? Cause boy not active, so you don't know me and Swizzle alone are roll, so we take on the road now and do the right thing, so just stick and stay and watch what going. We're there in a Dover right now. Guys, we'd have to grab something to eat. I'm not lie. Coming over here, it's crazy. You see me? Transportation, especially on a Sunday. You know what I mean? But we're there just to reach at the hill foot. So we are there now. We are see if we can climb the hill. But we're just probably a 3-minute walk to go up still. But you don't know. Swizzle there. Cause boy not active today because due to some family emergencies, so me and Swizzle got tried. You know what I mean? Don't just have all the reasons, so you don't know. But we're there, guys, you know what I mean? Again, big up yourself to all my beautiful subscribers. So I make you see what I go on in the country. You know what I mean? Catch some shots and just all a vibe, you know what I mean? So you don't know the thing, so just stick and stay and watch what I go on. Alright guys, you don't know. I want to talk to you about a game here. So this is called Caribbean Breeze JA. Alright, so it's official, guys. The game is official. So let me just go on a quick rundown. It's a domino game, as you can see. You can choose Jamaican domino or the Haitian style domino. So those are the two options for now, you know what I mean? So you don't know, you have cutthroat and you have partner. So as you can see right here, so I set up a game. I play a game of cutthroat. You know what I mean? It's pretty simple, guys. And trust me, it gives me the authentic domino experience when I know about, you know what I mean? So as you can see, the board are shuffle, and trust me, I'm sorry I couldn't hear it, but it gave the same exact sound when domino table are shuffle. As you can see right here, so I choose my 7 and then you see it, and you don't know. We are playing against computer, but this game you can also play online, guys, you know what I mean? So, but for this demonstration, we just are showing how the game basically set up, you understand? And not only that, we as Jamaicans know, well, domino in general, domino game is all about the slamming, you know what I mean? So if you can look on the screen carefully on the bottom right hand corner, when you can see, I have a set amount, I have 809 slams. So watch it. You see that? People, trust me, that is it for me. So you don't know when you can earn on the slams them. I'll show you how to do that shortly, but pretty straightforward, guys. The game is very nice, you know what I mean? The layout, the interface. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. I want all of my subscribers, please, just go over there and just download the game and just leave a comment. Just download the game and try it out. Trust me, the rest is going to be up to you guys. I mean, no one gonna love it. You know what I mean? So, but just put it out there for all of my domino lovers. Them, no one gonna love the game. And trust me, the slamming effect, that is it for me. You see it? They give me a vibe. And it make me feel like I can play domino. You see that people domino all over the table. You don't know your boy Knife Ninja out there without fear. So we just want to big up the creator for this game. You know what I mean? And reach out and trust me, never disappoint. yeah man, then reach out to me guys. You know what I mean? So you don't know, the channel is being more and more established. And you know what I mean? People are reach out. As you can see right here, so you have the option, you know, you have silver and having a gold. Also you can purchase silver, or you can purchase golds I should say guys. And you can see the rate, and with every purchase you get a certain amount of slams as well. You know what I mean? See it there? And you don't know, the list goes on and on. So guys, it's a nice game. It have a nice interface, and you can see right here, so you can have a custom table. You know what I mean? Yeah man, you can set up your own custom table and play with your friends them. You know what I mean? Have a chat and all of them little things there. See me I scroll through them. You see it. But you don't know, me I go talk about that game here as time progresses throughout my videos. You know what I mean? It's a good game, and when we see people do good things, we have to represent. But as you can see right here, so you can set up on a custom table then, you see it. Yeah man, so it's a good look guys. Trust me, show you how much players are online, and right here show you can switch between the Asian style domino or the Jamaican style domino. That is it. That is what we have available for now. You know, as time progresses, that I got change. Guys, look at this. Come here so a while ago and say me I put on my hand and lean up on the tree, and look how I find a scorpion. This thing I move. Watch you see that?
Yeah.
Thing I curl up. Move down, so I move with it now guys. Watch it. Guys, if this thing you go in the hospital, you probably have to get a shot same speed. Cha. You know me never yet see one of them, eh? Never yet see one of them, bro.
Yeah, man, I have life now.
Cha. All smarty and juke them with it. Alright guys, so yeah, make a stroll go up at the top so peeps go catch some water. Cause right now we feel dehydrated. Yeah man. I'm gonna load up. All I know, the evening sun wicked brother. Crazy man. That is it. So you guys are there in the countryside. All a vibe. Alright guys, so we reach the stream you know. Where water the man? Eh? Where water run? Where water there?
I can't drink that. Mad.
Yeah, one.
Guys, remember my last time I come up here, you can see it's a real summer out here, guys. The whole light dry up. Some of this. Alright guys, so unfortunately we're not able to get no water. So we have to figure out another way. I tell you guys, the stream dry up. Summertime, place hot. But we're there still. We have to figure out a way. Because we're thirsty. You see me? Alright, so my beautiful peeps, check in again. Alright, so you don't know what they have on a nice little view on the hillside. You know what I mean? We just set up the drone a while ago right there. See her there? You know what I mean? So I'm going to go there now. I see if I can get some drone shots. It's coming down to the evening hours. You know what I mean? And the sun kind of go down, you know what I mean? So basically the man them still cook some food. And my day I will a vibe. You see me? So I decided to get some drone shots. You see me? So you don't know the thing go. Again, we're in the countryside with the main team and the Kingston team link up. So all over there I will a vibe guys, you know what I mean? So do start some major work and I see that on Colaz thing, you know what I mean? But it's a good look. But there, I just do the right thing. You see me? So I launch a drone you know. First, I get some drone shots so I have an idea how I'm going to do it. You see me? So just stick and stay and watch what I go on. shots that we need. So I got incorporate it into the video. You know what I mean? And see if we can make it look nice. You understand? Man, so you don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me? I'll check in back once we start eat some food. Guys, eat them? So they eat some food, you know? You know what I mean? Go by the whole vibe, see there?
People, big up on yourself, you know. And remember, this is Knife Ninja JA, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Up and running, you see it? Check out the general channel. It's a banger!
Alright, so. That is it, you know.
Big up on yourself.
See that? Well, a vibe, guys. Out there without fear. One team and one dream.
Food nice.
Yeah, man.
Food bad.
Oh, I'm gonna take up a stone. Yeah, man, but the stone have the whole like grave upon it, man.
Yeah.
That is it, guys. So just stick and stay. We are checking once we leave. As I said today, it's a little bit different. Wish me could have catch more at the vlog, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, I, wasn't able to do that. But you don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. One team and one dream, you understand? And again, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the game, the domino game, Caribbean Breeze games. You know what I mean? It's a brand new game we just dropped on the market, so just stick and stay watch what going. That's a friend. Big up your channel for my thing because I end the vlog, you know.
Oh,
Big up your channel.
so guys, this is Stargirl716.
Stargirl716. That is it.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so go over there, go subscribe, you know. Alright, that is it. Big up your channel.
Knife Ninja, and I know you think. I'm going to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend.
That is it.
Outside.
That is it. Colaz up there, so. One Dalvi. We have Climber. We have Papi. So you don't know, the day has come to an end. Is this so?
I don't know what's going on. Do the right thing.
Code.
Do the right thing.
Alright.
That is it.
That is it. Right, there you have it, guys. So we are gonna head home now. You see me? But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your boy Knife Ninja. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't much, but just to give you the little journey. You understand? So big up on yourself. I'm out for now.